Laura. I'm an artist and I'm going to show you how to make a whale out of Play-Doh. What you'll need is Play-Doh, preferably blue. So to make a whale, let's start by making sort of like a ball shape, but you're going to want it to be a more oval, elongated ball. All right. Just keep working it sort of like a cone or like an egg shape. All right, like that. And now what we're going to do is we need to make a tail. So we're going to pinch the back so that we develop a tail. And now press your thumb down into the very back to create a fin. And then pinch the outsides to make it sharper. All right? And we can curve this up and thin that bottom part out so that it's a little bit smoother in the way that it connects to the back of the whale. All right, I like the whales to be very heavy at the front and sort of thinning at the back. That's how you can tell that it's a whale. And now what we're going to do is pinch down here to make fins. We're going to do that on both sides. And then try to smooth out the area around it. And push right behind the fin in so that it looks like it's folding backward. And that should be a sort of triangular shape. So you can pinch down on the fin. Do that on both sides. And now take whatever sort of sharp-ish tool you have. It doesn't have to be a pin or anything. And we're going to draw in a mouth, smiling because our Play-Doh whale's happy. And now we're going to poke it some eyes. Another thing you can do if you have another color of Play-Doh and you want to use it, you can make a little round part to go over the eyes, or you could even make an indent in the whale's face to make a sort of eye socket for it. But of course, this wouldn't be a whale without blowhole. So, got to give it a blowhole. And if you want to get really creative, you can give it some water spraying out. And that is how you make a whale out of Play-Doh. I'm Laura. Thanks for watching.